Hi and welcome. It's been a long day and I was thinking about doing some footage, but there has been a boring road. It's just now it will open and start being. So I take it from the beginning. I started at noon today and I'm heading to Norway from Sweden. It's an annual meeting, the Jotunheimen motorcycle club. So they have an annual meeting and attendance with new live music and everything. It's a really good event. Lots of friends there, some I will talk to and mingle with, have some beers and everything. So it's been a long day. Oslo was a little bit congested, very hard. Then haven't got a solution there to get through the town in an easy way. I was stuck there for 1 hour or something. GPS say now that I have about 76 kilometers left, and that will take an hour or something to ride. But I don't know. I think I will be a little bit faster. It's quite a good tempo now, 80 kilometers an hour. Been worse on the E6, but this road, number 15, is a very good road. This one is going to Geiranger, if you ever heard about that place. So, a little bit of technicalities. I also got the microphone connected from a headset now. So it seems to working really good. It's actually done with a single dongle from Sennheiser. I don't remember the name. BSD 600 something was the name of it. But just a dongle, and I have the microphone straight in from the mic. Here we're talking. So I don't know how much wind it's get now, because it's quite windy here in this valley. So I close it again, so I have some shelter for the microphone. But it's quite alright. You will see the footage, because I have a camera pointing forward as well. And you will see the footage from the scenery here, because you travel in valleys all the time. Same thing when you're going north of Oslo. It's a long valley following the European Road 6, E6. It's a long valley, and the water is just amazing. And that's what in the bottom of the valleys often. So here we got a river, or flood, or whatever you call it. And then going from here all the way out to the fjord, the Geiranger fjord, and Stryn area, if you know what that is. Stryn is a ski resort, and they have open nearly all year round. And I think they have that final weekend now, the Midsummer, so you can actually go skiing. And I mean slalom and slope skiing this weekend, and then they close for the season and start again in December, January. It's not a fun period because it was a lot of wind, much snow, and the lights isn't there. So, you like it go when the sun start to rise again around March.
I walk along the road. The wind confides in me each secret. I breathe the air, my heart is clear. My voice is laughing with the sparrows. Oh, mountain tall with a snowy crown. Oh, crystal eyes above the clouds. My love for you grows day by day. You're the world's embrace, the peace of my heart.
Snow is still there, 1300 to 1500 meters up. Now the clouds covering it. There's coming in some bad weather from the Atlantic, but
Snow is white, like a whispered prayer, shining on your shoulders, my dearest. I touch your stone and lose my tiredness. Forget the worries of my past. Oh, mountain tall with a snowy crown. Oh, crystal eyes above the clouds. My love for you grows day by day. You're the world's embrace, the peace of my heart.
I think the strawberries here. They have been in cold spring, so they are late and not so much as it used to be. Sweden and Norway just love strawberries, just for Midsummer. So Midsummer is the real thing, and it's now. So the sun will, well, actually not go down tonight. I'm not that high up where I am. The place you should search for is Lom. L-O-M. That's the central city, and Stryn. So we're about north of Oslo. So, well, the sun will set around 11, I think, and wake up again, rise again when I run till 2:30.
Open wide my chest to your pure hair. This is inside and wipes away my pain.
So, as you can see, some rain has fallen, but not on me. I'm completely dry today, but I guess I have some raindrops when I'm. I don't want to jinx it, but I think it's gonna rain when I arrive. I have approximately 30 kilometers left to ride, and then I reach my destination on the campsite where the party is. And I really like a beer now. So, as you can see in front of me, some really high mountains here. And this area called Jotunheimen. Just a high place. That's what it explains it. And Jotun is the area of the scenery area. So look at this. They did also what do you call it? Stop motion movie in the 70s, and I had put some dolls and cars and called Flåklypa Grand Prix. It was like a racing film for children. And it's really fabulous. If you have the chance, just look at it. And he lives up on the mountain, the higher mountain here that you saw earlier. I don't know if the camera catches it now. So that's called Flåklypa. We over the mountain, and here's another one. Turn left here. You're going up to the highest mountain in Norway, 2,600 meters. The highest altitude on the road is 1,500 meters. It's really spectacular because snow is still on the north side, so you can drive through snow valleys and everything. So Here you also will see the river here. The water is pure green, actually fabulous. This area is so much tourism, so much hiking you can do. Just if you don't like motorcycle, you can take an ordinary bicycle, or just take the bus here, train. You can take your train here as well, and go hiking on the mountains. You can see it now on the left there. See the sign there, Flåklypa. Oh, 26 kilometers to go. I don't know if you will see the water. I will pass the water, see if the camera can catch it. Here's a wider stream, but also they use the water for energy, so they dam it up. So you never know how much water there is. And it does depend on how much snow you had the previous year, of course. And then when the snow melts, it will end in the valley, and then turn. Since you have this fall all the time, you will put a turbine in the end and have energy from that. Look at this, those mountains. You can see the small waterfalls there. Coming from the snow.
I say, oh Lord, Lord, please guard this beauty. Let this earth remain for me and you.
See the water? And it's actually upstream. It's downhill here, but the water goes the other way. See that? The rock. So this area is known for a great camping area and also hiking. And we are 400 meters over the sea.
The peace of my heart.
Oh, it's a stretch leg again. So I've been riding for I left at noon, 12:30 perhaps. So I've been on the bike for 8.5 hours now. If you know the sport biathlon, they're skiing and shooting. Ski for 2-3 kilometers and then shoot 5 rounds and then skiing again. Popular sport here, and some famous stars from this area, Norwegian stars. It's a typical, it started raining when I'm arriving.
So I've arrived at the camping area, and I'm quite exhausted. I've also noticed that I got a puncture in back and rear wheel, but it's not leaking heavily, and I have a compressor with me, so it's a little empty. It can be I have some spike or screw in it. I haven't checked it yet. Just open up everything. So here's the bike and all the gear packed and final. And I found this tent spot, so I have shelter in case it starts to rain. And I also will arrange it inside here later on. And I'm coming back to that. But here's a view of it.
Yeah, I